Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn equal groups together, step by step. When we put things into equal groups, we use multiplication. We'll see it as repeated addition, as arrays, and through the times tables. 4 groups of 3 is 3 added 4 times, which is 4 times 3, 12. Multiplication is a fast way to add equal groups. An array lays items in equal rows and columns. 3 rows of 5 dots is 3 times 5, 15. Just multiply rows by columns. 6 boxes with 4 balls each hold 6 times 4, 24 balls in all. To recap, multiplication combines equal groups. It's repeated addition, and an array is rows times columns. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.